Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you orange chicken. It's very tasty and very delicious. The ingredients I'm going to use: 2-pound boneless chicken breast, 3 oranges, black pepper, parsley, garlic powder, ground nutmeg, ground ginger, ground cinnamon, cornstarch and spices from masala dabba. And let's get started. Get a mixing bowl, bring chicken, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper. These are only 3 ingredients we're going to use, and we're going to mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to let it sit on countertop for 10 minutes. Now we're going to prepare juice. First we're going to cut the oranges. You can extract it with the hand or something like this. We place it half in the air, press it. All the orange juice gonna come out. And I'm going to finish all of these the same way. We have extracted the juice out of 3 oranges. Now we're going to bring the spices. Salt, half teaspoon, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, cumin powder, 1 teaspoon, ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon, ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon, ground ginger, half teaspoon, garlic powder, half teaspoon, and black pepper, 1 teaspoon. We're going to mix it well. Chicken marinated for 10 minutes, juice is ready, and let's start making orange chicken. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas. Bring olive oil, bring chicken. With the cornstarch, chicken tends to stick together. It's a good idea. You add one by one. We're all done. We're going to keep turning the chicken until it's nicely cooked. I'm going to use the splatter screen so it won't spray out the countertop. Cook it 5 minutes. Cooking for 5 minutes. I'll open it. It does not spray anymore. The chicken, looking so delicious. Nicely cooked. I'm going to bring the sauce, orange juice. Mix it well. After mixing it well, bring the temperature to medium, and we're going to cover with the lid. We're going to cook it for 5 minutes on medium gas, cooking for 5 minutes. Mix it, bring the gas to high, and now we're going to cook on a high gas until our sauce thickens. 1 teaspoon parsley flake, mix it well. Cooking additional 2 minutes. The sauce has been thickened. I'm going to turn off the gas and we're going to dish out. This is perfect. Our quick and easy orange chicken is all ready, and it's very tasty and very delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.